You can dry garlic cloves quickly and easily using your oven. Start by separating a garlic bulb into individual cloves and peeling them. If you want larger garlic chips, cut each clove in half lengthwise. If you want to powder the garlic after you dry it, mince the cloves into small pieces. Spread the chopped cloves out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Heat your oven to the lowest possible setting. Ideally, this should be around 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, although many ovens don't have a setting lower than 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Depending on how low you can set your oven, it may take anywhere from 1 to 6 hours to dry out the garlic. Keep baking the garlic until the pieces snap easily when you try to break them. Grind the dried garlic into powder with a mortar and pestle, or leave it in chip form. Transfer it into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark area. Your dried garlic should stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 years.